Panipuan, Babo, Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Alam nyo guys, more than you watching me eat the food na pinapadala dito sa amin, isa sa mga advocacy namin guys is to promote these businesses to our Where in Pampanga community. Lalong-lalo na po ngayon na it's quarantine. Not every business is open. So, we're trying to help these businesses at least cope up po sa situation. So, for today's vlog, we would like to thank Hungry Hubb for sending us these shawarma dishes. So, if you notice guys, on my table, we have 3 different servings of shawarma. At the same time, meron po silang 3 variants of shawarma. So, you have your beef shawarma, chicken shawarma, pork shawarma. So sa mga servings naman, we have this party tray. We also have our wrap. Pork and chicken nila is just 50 pesos and then the beef is just 60 pesos. While on my left side, beef naman is 80 pesos. Pork and chicken is just 70 pesos. Sa shawarma, isa sa nagpapasarap talaga aside from the ingredients na nasa shawarma mismo ay yung kanilang sauce. A lot of the times talagang sauce talaga yung magdadala ng lasa ng shawarma. If you're craving for shawarma, guys, look for Miss Love Ocampo Deloso. Call the number that is flashing on your screen right now so that you can enjoy shawarma at the comfort of your home. Again, yun naman talaga yung advantage natin ngayong quarantine period. We can eat these amazing dishes without us going out of our houses. Tikman na natin yung kanilang mga shawarma. So, let me start with this chicken shawarma. Lalagay natin yung regular garlic sauce. Let's taste it. Some more garlic sauce for our chicken. Grabe actually. I will not lie, sobrang sarap, sobrang fresh. Ayan, this is my second bite. That was just my first try and sobrang impressed ako, grabe. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Sarap. So nilalagyan ko ng marami kasi marami naman yung mga binigay nilang mga sauces sa atin. So yeah, let's give it a generous amount. First try for the pork. Oh man. Grabe. So, if you are to ask me guys, I think they are equally delicious. Sobrang nagdadala rin talaga yung kanilang secret sauce. And then lastly guys, let's try their beef shawarma wrap. And then this time, lalagay ko naman yung kanilang spicy garlic sauce. Let's dig in. Ooh, wow! Ooh, wow! Woo! That was really spicy, which is I really appreciate and I like it. If you were to ask me guys, kung for example mag-order kayo and which one should you order, I think you go for the beef. For the wrap, you're just gonna add 10 pesos I think, and then for this serving, yung mga food boxes natin, you're just gonna add 20 pesos. I think the beef has a distinctive taste that will like parang le-level up siya dun sa dalawang variants natin, which is the pork and the chicken. And then ask for the spicy garlic sauce, and I'm sure you are gonna love it. Yeah. So before I end the video, this is gonna be my last bite. Yan, tingnan natin din. So there you have it guys. I would like to thank you for watching this video. Again, thank you Hungry Hubb for sending these. I'm still gonna finish yung mga wrap ko dito. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends, And again guys, keep safe. I hope to see you on the next video. Peace out. Bye-bye.